Yeah, right.
He almost... Sam, I think we're gonna make a lot of people lots of happiness because a lot of people have been asking for a Peugeot. We've done a one, maybe two in the past, but not one that has been properly built. This one is definitely like, well, the best one I've driven so far and probably one of the best hot hatches overall. You see in a bit why. So let's talk a bit through the mods, what made it so exciting, because we already did a lap to make sure we could get on the track. And it's very busy today out here, as you can see, lots of cool cars. And yes, we'll be driving this in a bit, or you maybe already have driven. Right, so it starts on the front. We have Cup 2 tires, which were a bit cold on the cold morning, but then we warmed them up nicely. 235, 3519 fronts. Alcon brakes from factory. And you said Carmen Lorraine pads, or which one?
Yeah, CL RC6s pads. Yeah. Got braided hoses, motor fluid, new discs on it. So yeah, got the stainless steel pistons, so that makes sure they don't rust. So the brakes are brilliant for a lightweight car. It's what, 1260 kilos car?
Yeah.
Oh, 380mm discs.
Yeah, very, very nice. Very good. Now, something in between, you have also a diff that connects, well, not just factory diff, but LSD that makes the power transfer to the wheels. Mwah, fantastic. Speaking of the power, can we see something underneath the bonnet, or is it?
Yeah,
yes, it's
yeah, so they come standard with a Torsen diff, but we changed it for a British-made 3J diff, road diff. So that's in there. It's got a Lighten flywheel.
Nice.
And also a Helix organic clutch. So they're a 1.6 litre turbo, manual of course.
It's just 1.6, huh?
Yeah, that's just
1.6. Insane.
So it was a BMW Peugeot engine,
yeah,
Prince, which apparently back in the day they were a bad engine.
Yeah.
But Peugeot kept flogging a dead horse and they made it good. So they did a 200 horsepower, a 250. This is a 270 horsepower standard.
Yeah.
This one's 368.4.
Yeah.
The 0.4 is the good bit.
Yes.
So
and it's legit power. I felt it. It's really, really good.
We did tune it for, I think it had like 550 Newton meters, but we backed that off to 488.5. So we didn't want too much torque, so we backed that off. So it's got a GT intake, so it's a company in France, amazing guy called Bruno, so it's the air filter system. We've got a full custom-made exhaust system with a downpipe and this valve system at the back. There is a water meth kit, and I've gone stealth, so this is the meth in here.
Oh, nice.
So water meth, so when it's raining, you spray meth on the windscreen. Oh. And then it injects methanol in there, so that's a cooling mist.
Nice.
So a company in the UK as well. Good friend of mine, Bruce, so that's his kit.
And we forgot to mention what's hiding underneath the blanket.
We're getting to it, so we've got a hybrid turbo that's just been fitted and mapped to it by a company called Pug One Off, also in the UK. So they've done a great job. I think the power is really there, coming through nicely. The Denon packs and better spark plugs and things like that. But that's it, with the clutch and the diff.
Everything works.
All that power.
Yeah, what I specifically liked is the fact that actually, even though it has a bigger turbo on just the 1.6, it's constantly, like, the power is there. You don't have any lag. That's quite often what I experience when people fit bigger turbos. It really kills the drivability for the track. In this case, it was constantly there. It was really nice. And the noises, thanks to the intake, it was fantastic.
Oh, we've got a secret mod. Secret mod, sorry. It's 2 cars in one.
Okay.
Have you looked down that side of the car?
We have silver wheels.
What colour is that? Anthracite, silver,
something.
Standard, and the back one.
Yeah, and then this one we have
this side
with the bronze.
with the bronze.
Nice.
There's 2 cars in one, so I park it in the driveway.
Yeah.
And you park one way, you park it the other way. You think you got 2 cars.
Yeah, and your mate has also 2 cars, just a blue front and a black rear.
Yeah, Andrew's got the blue one. Yeah. So that's stage 2 as well. So it's stage 3 now. Yeah.
Nice. Very cool. Well, fantastic. I'm happy we can make it happen.
Yeah, really.
It's been like 5 years in development.
I think so.
So, and now it's finally there. Well, thanks a lot. You guys enjoyed the lap, and I have to go run into this Lambodor Creation R34, which is actually R33, but still with a lot of power. Well, enjoy this one for now. It's for you.
Thank you. Can't believe how easy it was to get on.
Yeah, compared to yesterday.
Yeah, it's so quick. It's like, yes.
Amazing.
And good temperature as well for it.
Yeah.
It looks dry.
Looks dry, yeah. track after last night's storm.
Yeah, we got caught in that. We went to Carousel.
Ah, yeah, it's the opposite way in rev counter. I was looking for the needle to go to the right side. I'm like, what's happening here?
Yeah.
We're in the rev limiter.
And then when you're in sport mode, it goes all red, so you can't see where the rev lower is.
Yeah.
She's frisky, isn't she? You can see why I keep traction control on for me. I'm a novice. Don't break that.
It doesn't go in the central.
The fourth.
Yeah. Like from fifth to fourth, it goes easier into sixth.
It's a new. It might be. It's a new clutch.
Yeah.
So it needs a bit more wearing in.
The clutches are right. I mean, it's just like the stick. It doesn't censor itself to nice. So at least it's like more or less my fault as well. So you have to get used to it.
Get up the hill a bit quicker.
It's really good, yeah.
Otherwise it's struggling.
But the good thing is it's still rev happy.
Yeah.
There's no lag.
No. Yeah, I came past the M4 yesterday in a drag up here. It was phenomenal. It's a 1.6.
Wow.
beyond my expectation.
Yeah. Well, it took obviously a bit to get used to the gear.
Yeah.
Like I said, but now I'm in 5th, and when I want to go to,
Sometimes I have to double.
I need to really like
to
position
get
it in the middle. Yeah.
It's a little notch. I think it's because it's a new clutch. It needs a bit of wearing in. I don't know if that's a thing, but yeah, 4th is sometimes a bit of a challenge.
Yeah, so it's and obviously I do not want to push it too much to the left and go to the 2nd.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, it took a bit of time to get used to that. Obviously, warm up the tires slightly, but once everything was running, and I was also kind of dialed in with the car and the track because it's my first morning lap today. Yeah, amazing. It was. Like the only like setup great, brakes phenomenal, power enough, it doesn't overheat, it delivers it constantly, there is no lag, which I really like, because usually even hybrid turbos sometimes on setups it's just like people go for a bigger hybrid turbo and then it's
short. Yeah,
you know, so then you wait for the boost to kick in. Here was like really optimal, always good, loved it. Just on certain sections the gearing was a bit like, you know, like you need like literally like half a second of a bit more rev range.
Yeah.
So you end up being in the red line there, and
just for the corner.
It's not like not horrible, but that was like literally that's the only point of complaint.
So that's pretty much stock suspension. So we've got the K brace.
Okay.
It's stock shocks, but H&R springs.
Yeah.
That's the only mod. Yeah, no pops and bangs, but it's got like a GT intake, so it's got whooshy noises for days.
Amazing. Super cool. I'm happy we could make it happen after like what, 5 years?
Yeah, I think it's been that long. Every time I come something's happened, but at least we wouldn't have had this tune anyway, so I'm glad you got to try the tune.
Exactly. No, it's amazing.
Fresh. And it survived, it didn't break down, it's reliable.
Yeah.
It's a great chassis.
Super cool, super happy. Amazing.